Hello everyone, yung Mama Betchay here and welcome back to my channel. Kung bago lang kayo sa aking channel, please subscribe, like, and click the notification bell as I will be posting new videos weekly. First of all, I would like to thank everyone for supporting this channel. I hope that you continue supporting me in my cause of sharing my knowledge in the Lazada selling platform. Sa nais tumulong, I'm not asking anything in return but your subscriptions and shares ng ating channel sa inyong mga social media account. In today's video, I'm going to discuss the fees involved kung ikaw ay seller sa Lazada o interesado palang magbenta sa Lazada. Umabot na ng part 13 yung series ng ating Lazada tutorials and there are still some of you na hindi pa alam kung magkano nga ba ang mga fees o kaltas ni Lazada kung seller ka sa kanilang online selling platform. Our discussion or our topic, by the way, will revolve around the individual or micro sellers. Kung naka-follow po kayo sa ating mga tutorials, nabanggit ko po sa part 1 and 2 yung initiative ni Lazada na bigyan ng opportunity yung may mga maliliit na puhunan na magbenta sa kanilang online selling platform. So before we discuss the Lazada fees, let us educate muna at intindihin kung ano nga ba ang microsellers. So let us know ano nga ba yung mga kategorya or category ng mga sellers sa Lazada. May tatlo po. Una is last mile sellers, pangalawa, local marketplace, and pangatlo, yung cross-border sellers. Last mile sellers are usually corporate sellers. Ito yung nag-earn na ng millions per year o gross sales annually. And example ng mga Lazada sellers are big companies like Unilever, Procter & Gamble, who are using the Lazada platform to sell their products. Cross-border sellers naman ay yung mga international sellers. For example, yung mga taga Hong Kong na sellers. Local marketplace naman, of course, yung naka-check na green is where we belong. Ito yung mga local sellers who sell locally produced products o yung iba naman ay may mga outsourced products but being sold locally through the Lazada online selling platform. So balikan natin yung initiative ni Lazada. In the last 2 or 3 years, I'm not sure the exact timeline, Lazada built a cooperative. Ito yung tinatawag na Online Microsellers Marketing Cooperative. The goal is to help micro-entrepreneurs na makapagbenta sa platform ng Lazada. Kung nabasa nyo po yung contract nyo as a microseller, meron nakalagay doon na capital build-up program. So in my understanding again, it's a help needed sa may mga maliliit na puhunan to grow their capital through the Online Sellers Marketing Cooperative. Ayan, so I hope malinaw po sa inyo ha. Do not be confused kung tawagin tayong microseller or co-op seller dahil iisa lang po iyon. Okay, so let us know ano nga ba yung mga fees involved of being a Lazada microseller. Again, this discussion is applicable lang po sa microseller. Fees applies differently depende sa seller category. Okay, so una, yung commission. The commission for Lazada microseller is 0%. Yes, sarap po ng 0% commission dahil para sa kaalaman po ng ating viewers, yung isa po nating corporate account ay may 5% commission. Okay? And then, pangalawa, as a microseller, meron din po tayong membership fee na 100 pesos. So, yung 100 pesos is being charged ng one time only. Kinakaltas to usually on the first payout ng microseller, and if I may add also, 500 pesos and up na amount po ang pwedeng i-release na first payout. Okay? And then third, we have the admin fee, which is 1%. This is what we also call as co-op fee. So bilang member ng co-op, ito yung fee na kinakaltas ni Lazada. Ang charge po ng admin fee is total ng sales mo kada payout. Okay? And then, Ang pinaka-last na fees is the payment fee. Ang payment fee is 1.68%. Ano po yung payment fee? Ito po yung fee na charge sa atin for using the Lazada platform. Okay? So, hindi po libre yung paggamit nung Lazada website nila. Kasi imagine nyo lang po kung magbibuild pa kayo ng sarili nyong website o magpa-web host tulad ng Shopify, mahal po yung subscription nun. And for Lazada, it's only 1.68%. By the way, yung 1.68% is charged per order sold. So, there, yan po yung fees involved na sumatotal na sa 2.68% ang kaltas ni Lazada sa microseller as compared sa corporate sellers na umaabot po ng halos 10%. Ayan, so I hope malinaw po lahat at naintindihan natin. I would like to put a disclaimer again that I'm not paid to do this, nor I endorse Lazada as a company, but I'm making these tutorials based on my knowledge as a Lazada seller of 6 years. For more assistance, you can contact Lazada Partner Support para ma-assist po kayo ng mabuti. Okay? Alright, so before we end this video, of course, hindi po mawawala yung ating bonus. So may papakita ko sa inyo, una, how the statement of account looks like, and yung breakdown ng fees na involved na diniscuss natin sa mga microsellers. Itong account na to ay isa nating live account under the microseller co-op. Okay? So, I hope na may matutunan kayo. And ipapakita lang natin tong una, yung ating statement of account and paano po na-a-apply yung mga fees na diniscuss natin kanina. Okay, so this is a sample of a statement of account which covers from August 12 to August 18 na payout. So as you can see, meron tayong breakdown dito. We have the net revenue, the total of 2,366.75, the net due to seller, total net charges, and net due to seller after co-op fees, and of course, the total net payout of 1,508.21. Okay, so sa isang linggo po yan na benta. Okay, so didiscuss ko lang natin konti yung breakdown nito. Ito yung total net revenue na 2,366.75. And meron ditong nakalagay na 1,549.75 for sales revenue and 817 for other revenue credited. Okay? Yung 817 pesos po, yan po yung net shipping fee. Okay? Naka-breakdown po yan dito. As you can see, ayan, pareho silang 817 pesos. So, ito yung shipping fee na binayaran ni customer sa kanilang item. Of course, kukunin ulit ni Lazada yan sa inyo at ibabawas dun sa payout. Okay? So, that's 817 pesos for the shipping fee. Okay? And then, next is we have the net payment fee. So, payment fee na diniscuss natin kanina, okay? Yan yung sinasabi ko na 1.68%. Okay? So, ang kinantas niya sa atin is 26 pesos and 4 cents as net payment fee. And then, balikan ko lang din, yung payment fee po is charged per unit sold. Okay? And then, we have the co-op fee din sa baba. As you can see, naka-enclose and open parenthesis yung co-op fee or admin fee natin na 1%, which is 15 pesos and 50 cents. So, 1% po ng total ng ating payout sa kabuuan na 1,523.71. So, 1% po niyan is 15.50. Ayan. So, ang net po natin is 1,508.21. Okay. Okay, Okay, so itong next tutorial or itong next video na ipapakita ko sa inyo is a breakdown naman ng mga charges sa ating item na nakikita sa Seller Center. Okay, so dito makikita nyo yung sagot kung papatungan nyo pa ba ng shipping fee yung items nyo o hindi. Okay, so let's pay attention to the screen. Okay, so eto yung ating breakdown ng mga orders. So you go to finance and then order overview sa inyong Lazada Seller Center. And eto yung mga breakdown ng ating mga orders. As you can see, meron tayong unit price, yung commission, blank kasi po 0% nga yung commission, yung fees natin, other credits, payout amount, and then yung status niya kung delivered, and then yung payout status kung pending or paid ka na ba sa order na yan. Okay. So as you can see dito, ang ating unit price ay 250 pesos. So please take note na yung unit price po natin ay may kasama na po yan yung profit natin o yung kita natin. Okay? And then, etong other credits na 90 pesos, eto po yung shipping fee na binayaran ni customer sa atin. Okay? And then, for the VAT, do not mind the VAT na lang po kasi this one is not applicable since under microseller tayo. So, si Lazada na po yung bahala dyan. As you can see, mamaya papakita ko yung computation, hindi po yan ibabawa sa ating payout. Okay? So, let's check muna. Papakita natin yung breakdown mismo ng order para mapakita ko sa inyo. So, dito, papasok yung katanungan kung ipapatong ko pa ba yung shipping fee sa unit price ko. So, ang sagot po dyan ay hindi na po. Kasi, babayaran yan ni customer on top nung unit price mo na nakapost sa Lazada website. Okay, so, magko-compute tayo using a simple math using the calculator. So as you can see, papakita ko lang, 250 plus 90 is 340. So yan po yung total na binayaran ni customer sa akin sa kanyang order. Okay? So unit price plus yung 90 na SF or shipping fee. So sisilipin natin yung order number. I-click lang po natin. And ayan, so you can see here yung subtotal niya na 250 plus yung shipping fee na 90, ang grand total is 340. Okay, so match po yan sa breakdown natin kanina. Balikan lang po natin ulit yung ating order overview para mas malinaw. And ayan. Tapos, syempre, itong 90 pesos, ibabalik natin kay Lazada yan dahil sila naman po yung nag-take care ng ating shipping. Okay? So, itong fees naman na minus 94.20, kung paano naging 94.20 yan, dyan papasok yung ating payment fee na 1.68%. Okay? So, yung shipping fee na 90 pesos at yung payment fee na 4 pesos and 20 centavos. So, paano naging 4 pesos and 20? O, compute po natin uli. So, yung unit price mo na 250, i-times natin dun sa 1.68% na payment fee, ayan, is equals to 4.20. So, yan yung kaltas sa order na to na payment fee sa atin ni Lazada. So, shipping fee of 90 pesos and 420 na payment fee is equals to 94.20. So, doing the math again, okay, 250 plus 90 is 340. Okay? And then, ima-minus natin yan sa kaltas na 94.20. So, ang total niya ay 245.80. So, yan yung magiging payout amount mo sa order na yan. So, yan na yung malinis mo na makukuha na payout with Lazada. And then, ito-total mo yung lahat ng payout amount, and dun na papasok naman yung 1% na admin fee. Okay? So, I hope na malinaw. This is the pinaka-simplest and pinaka-madali na explanation sa breakdown ng ating mga kaltas. And I hope that you do understand. If you have any questions, feel free to comment down below sa ating video. And if not, you may contact finance to better explain everything regarding the payout. Okay? And that's the end of our tutorial for today. I hope na may natutunan na po tayo ulit. If you have questions, feel free to comment down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe. And I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye!